right, so now I'm going to explain how to properly sign your financial power of attorney as well as your advanced healthcare directive. So let me share my screen with you, and first we'll talk about your financial, or also known as your property power of attorney. Give me just one moment to share my screen. Okay, so up here, again, we have the durable power of attorney. This is, again, your property power of attorney, sometimes referred to as a financial power of attorney. So I've already explained in another video how to fill this out properly, but once we get down to the bottom where the signature blocks are, this is what I want to focus on. So right here where it says, you know, in witness whereof, I hereby ratify and confirm all that my agent shall do and cause to be done on my behalf, and hereunto set my hand and seal to these instructions at blank, New Mexico. So this is where you would write either the city where you're signing or the county where you're signing. It doesn't matter, either or is fine. And then on this blank day, so that would be the day of the month, like today is the 27th of May, you would write in the 27th day of May 2020. And you, the person who's creating this document, are known as the principal. So this is where you, the principal, would sign your name. You'd also want to print your name, make sure that it's legible, and then also your address and your phone number. Now, there's also a signature block here for witnesses. Witnesses are not required, but they bolster and add to the credibility of this document should there ever be a challenge or some concern about its validity. And then finally at the bottom there is a notary block. So you'll see here, State of New Mexico, County of blank. This is where a notary public would fill out the county where they're notarizing this. They would say that it was acknowledged before them on the day that you signed it. They would sign their name, put their stamp in this area here. Now it's important to know that a notary is not required on this document. However, we do strongly encourage you to have it notarized, because what that does is it creates a presumption of validity under New Mexico law. So anybody who, if anybody ever did raise a challenge to it, they would have to overcome that presumption. So that's how you fill out your signature blocks and your notary blocks for this property power of attorney. And, you know, you can find a notary at any bank. You go to any bank, you know, we can also notarize it for you here in our office. Just give us a call and make an appointment. Let's go now to the power of attorney for healthcare and your advanced healthcare directive. So again, we've already explained how to fill this form out in another video, and I'm going to go down to the signature portion. So this one does not have a notary block. It's simply, you know, again, you would be the principal. You would sign here where it says signature of principal, print your name, print your address, make sure your name is legible. And then, of course, witnesses are listed here. They're also optional, but again, we do encourage and recommend that you have two witnesses sign and fill this portion out, because it lends to the credibility of the document. And if there's ever a challenge, you know, and there's ever a contest, like a court contest, then, you know, these witnesses may potentially be called to testify in court as to the validity of this document. So it's very simple. You sign it, you witness it, etc., and that's it. Easy as that. Thank you.